Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fat to Fitness. This is Subhagya. So today is my cheat day. As a cheat meal, I am making egg puff. Let's check out the recipe. So I have bought the puff pastry sheets from the bakery. So first let's do the thawing. Either you can put the pastry sheets in the microwave for 15 seconds on high heat to kind of defrost, or thawing is what we call, to bring it to the normal room temperature. Yeah, so you can either put in the microwave for 15 seconds or you can leave it aside for about 30 to 40 minutes in the room temperature and it will become normal. I have done both just to see the difference and both were good. Now let's make the base. I am taking one medium-sized tomato, half onion, some green chilies. There goes 1 teaspoon of oil, little bit of black mustard, and then goes half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. As the oil is warm and it starts fluttering, then add onion and then fry it until golden brown. There goes some curry leaves for a good flavor and aroma. This is a very simple recipe. So there it goes. It is golden brown. Now add the tomato. This will serve as base. And then add green chilies and let it cook for a minute or two. And once the tomatoes starts getting softened, add salt as per taste, then half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Spice as per your taste, as you like. And see, it has become mushy. The tomatoes have started to soften. Just dab it or make like a paste. Okay, now let's spread the pastry and then cut it in the desired shape. Then in a bowl take 1 egg, and this will act as egg wash. I have not added any seasoning to it. Okay, I have boiled the eggs and kept it ready. Cut it in half. Now sprinkle some dry flour and then spread the pastry something like this, and then using a pizza cutter or a knife you can cut them in the desired shape like a square, and then take a teaspoon and spread it in between, something like this. Just make it even and spread it gently. And after that, place the half egg, the bottom down, something like that. And now take the 2 corners and apply egg wash over it. Use the egg wash to stick the corners. You can make any shape. You can make your egg puff in any shape. You can fold it in any shape. Apply egg wash throughout. It will give a very good, it will help in cooking and it will give that beautiful color. Okay, I have preheated my oven at 200 degrees centigrade And once the oven is preheated, place your puff pastries, and it will take about 15 minutes. And I'm checking after 10 minutes. This is how it looks. Another 5 minutes. And this is the end result. Exactly how you see in the pastry shops. It is really delicious. Please give it a try.